Okay, now this is our order. Let's select a new order which is already made. We can just understand what will actually go into making a sales order. Let's pull up a list of already present and made orders that will make it easy for us to understand how a sales order is made. Okay, let's take any random sales order. Even three. Okay, this is our standard order, and this is the document flow. We'll go into the status overview as well. Business partner is our customer, and this customer can also be a vendor. That's why it is called a business partner. Okay, double click 313. Item is 10. Standard order status overview.
जिशान ऑनलाइन हुए सर? आप मेरे ख्याल से हुए नहीं ऑनलाइन।
Display document. Okay, this cannot be displayed right now. So
ऑनलाइन नहीं हुए अभी तक?
no, वो
आ जाओ फटाफट आ जाओ। हाँ हाँ हो गई वली सर आप भी।
okay. Now this is our standard order 313, which is sold to this party. The ship to party is also the same. Customer reference is also given, which is of course a text description. And these are the items which are basically being sold to the customer for a price, and that price is $15. Okay. Item overview. Okay. Now these are the items. Item detail. So basically, this is the sales order. And what do we require over here? We require material master, company code, material, customer. And for all this, we need enterprise structure configuration. Okay. Sales document, billing. Now let's see what is in the billing, and that will confirm us the amount. Okay. Order is still incorrect in the processing. That's why it is not yet integrated with FI. So no billing documents were generated. Okay. Anyways, so this is basically what we will be creating. But before that, we'll go for the configuration first. And for the configuration, we'll head down to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, and TR72 will be our company code. So first, we will create our enterprise structure. Enterprise structure is where you create your organization units, and for units, you define the units. And to define a company and a company code, we have to take the help of financial accounting. Company code, edit, copy, delete, edit company code data. Okay, new entries. TR72. Tyrol Industries. Dubai, country AE. Currency AED, language will be English. Okay. Save.
सर ये रजिस्टर्ड कर रहे हैं एसएपी के अंदर.
AE country. AE country. Enter. New request. TR70. Okay, Tyrol Industries, SDMM, OS Zishan. Now this is a reference. We will see what we are actually configuring. Okay. Now this is made, company code is made. The next step. Company code is made. Next is logistics. Valuation level, which is a plant. So we will define a plant. Valuation area is a plant by default. Define, copy, delete, check plant, define plant, new entries, TR72, same. Tyrol Industries, TR72. Okay, rest everything will be default. Save. AE, search term, TR72, Tyrol Industries, TR72. Enter. Okay. Plant is made. Next is location of the plant. Location. New entries. Plant is TR72, which is already made. Sharjah. Tyrol Industries plant TR72. Sharjah.
हम एक से ज्यादा लोकेशन भी खोल सकते हैं सर, स्टोरेज लोकेशन.
Save. It's done. Division. Now, division can be your business division. Now, in pharma, of course, there are division for oral suspension, for injectables. Okay. But let's, okay. Oral suspension. oral solids, and injectables. Now, these are your business divisions. Save. Based on this, we'll be creating our sales order. And this is very important. Okay. Okay. Logistics part is done. Sales and distribution. Sales organization. Very important. New entries. TR72. Sales org. AED. Plant TR72. We don't have any purchasing group right now. We'll create in the next step. Okay, easy. Okay. Next is distribution. Now, distribution channel can be your geographical locations, or it can be based on your division, injectables and oral suspension. We'll keep two, oral suspension and injectables. Define distribution channel. OS, oral suspension, TR72, injectables, TR72. Already exists. Oh. Injectables. Okay, we're done. Maintain sales office. We'll maintain one sales office. Okay. New entry. TR72. Save. Maintain sales group. New entries. Now, sales group can be based on your divisions and distribution channel. But we'll keep it simple. TR70, TR72.
सेल्स ग्रुप से मुराद है कौन से प्रोडक्ट किस ग्रुप में बिक्री है, कौन से किस ग्रुप को, ऐसे ना सर?
Okay. Maintain sales group. Okay, that's done. Material management. Maintain storage location. Plant TR72. Entries. Charger TR72. Save. Okay, maintain purchase org. The purchase org can be different and can be multiple, but we'll keep only one. TR72. TR72, which is hard. Okay, definition is done. Now we'll go for assignment. We don't have a company right now, so we'll go to logistics. Assign plant to company code. TR72 and TR72. Save. Come on.
हेलो नेट स्लो चल रहा है हाल